Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. I'm going to show you how I make this delicious frozen dragon fruit Kool-Aid. I know y'all love Kool-Aid, so let's get into it. I'm just making simple Kool-Aid, and I decided to elevate it by adding dragon fruit. And it was really good. The balance was great. This is my Kool-Aid. I have a lemon and a lime. Make sure you use a lemon and a lime because it's two different flavor profiles. This is the dragon fruit, and now I'm going to cut it up and let you guys see how I break it down. So I'm going to slice right down the middle just like this. Next, I'm going to use a spoon and scoop it right out. I know a lot of people, they peel it or they have their own way of doing it, but I just scoop it right out. I feel like it's easier and less mess, so I just scoop it out with a spoon, a strong spoon, to get it out. Now, a little background about dragon fruit. Dragon fruit doesn't have a strong fruit flavor like, let's say, a mango or pineapple, but it does have a mild flavor. And, you know, Kool-Aid is very tart. It's a tart, mix. And for whatever reason, it just gave it this super smooth and nice balance. Yes, I'm making Kool-Aid and I'm bigging it up. It's just Kool-Aid, but it's not just any Kool-Aid. So to my blender, I'm going to add mad ice, maybe about 4 to 5 cups of ice. And then I'm going to show you guys how I put it together. Next, I'm going to add my dragon fruit down in here. And yeah, I've been using my hands this whole time. My hands are always nice and clean. I do cook a lot. Cooking is my profession, so my hands are always clean. I'm going to add my lemon and my lime juice down in here. If you don't have both, you can use one either or, but I like the balance between the lemon and the lime with the dragon fruit, with the sugar, and with the Kool-Aid. It was really good. It's a really good drink. This drink will be perfect with alcohol, but I wanted to do something, without alcohol, non-alcoholic this time around. So yeah, so I added a whole entire bottle of water, a half a cup of sugar. You can make this sweeter if you prefer. And you're just gonna blend it on up. And I'm gonna show y'all what I do next. So, of course, my glasses are frozen. They've been in the freezer while I was making the drink. I forgot to mention the flavor of the Kool-Aid that I used. I used the charcoal berry fin flavor. I tried to find the dragon fruit flavor because I could have sworn I've seen that flavor before, but I couldn't find it anywhere. So I used the charcoal berry fin flavor. But I think any pink or red flavored Kool-Aid would be fine here. And yeah, so this is what the drink looks like. It's nice and frozen. The frozen glasses keeps your drink even more cold and more frozen, and that's why I always keep my glass in the freezer. I top it off with some more dragon fruit, and look how pretty this is. It's pretty and easy to make, and you could just wow your family, your friends, or your company. So this is what it looks like, you guys. So I hope you guys try it out. If you do, tag me and let me know what you think. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.